Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and data. Install Python 3, 8+ pip, and create a virtualenv so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install an OCR engine like Tesseract or EasyOCR and add OpenCV and Pillow for preprocessing. You should also assemble a small labeled validation set of representative images or PDFs to iterate quickly. Make sure to pick a license-compatible engine now, because that determines training versus tuning choices later. This is the foundation you'll build on. You now transform raw files into predictable inputs. Start by normalizing resolution, deskewing pages, denoising, and resizing to a consistent DPI. These steps reduce model confusion. Next, segment regions of interest, use contour detection or a lightweight detector, and apply binarization and morphological operations to improve contrast. Once segmented, configure your OCR engine, install language packs, load model weights, and prepare fine-tuning datasets if accuracy lags. Make sure to validate after each change so you can trace which step helped most. You finish by integrating OCR into your application and validating results. Wire the engine behind an API or batch script, then run accuracy tests and compute character error rate and word error rate to quantify performance. Once acceptable, add logging, retries, and monitoring for production use. If you see systematic errors, retrain or add targeted preprocessing rules. One troubleshooting tip: if layout or fonts break results, isolate examples, augment training data, or add a layout-specific OCR pass to recover accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.